Hello and welcome back. This is part 4 in this series about writing an assignment. And in this part, we are going to talk about the third step in the process of writing an assignment, and that is creating categories. If you remember in the previous part, we were talking about identifying relevant sections in your sources. And what you will end up by the end of that step is a pile of paper with a lot of highlighted sections on it. Now, at this step, you have to grab a pair of scissors, or if you're working on your computer and you have a lot of PDF files saved, then you can use the snipping tool on your computer, and you have to cut out the parts that you identified as relevant, because it will help you to zero in, to focus on the actual relevant parts, and you can ignore the other parts that are not relevant. As you are cutting out the parts, you can also start categorizing or setting up categories and put the different cutouts into different piles according to their topics or according to themes. You can, for example, decide that in the first part you are going to put cutouts that contain definitions, and in the second part you are going to put cutouts that contain, I don't know, gaps in the literature. Or if we take our particular example, analyze two approaches to academic reading and compare the way key concepts are conceptualized within those approaches. So you might decide that, okay, in the first pile, I'm going to put cutouts that are about key concept 1 in approach 1. Then in the second pile, I'm going to put cutouts that are about key concepts 1, but in approach 2 this time. Again, there is no set rules how you set up your categories. It very much depends on you, how you do that, and also on your topic. It is also important that you write the sources on the cutouts. Otherwise, believe me, sooner or later, rather sooner, you will forget which source you cut that particular part out. Okay? This step will take you approximately 1 full day, but if you want, you can add an extra day to this, and you can do this step in 2 days, and then you can save another day in another step. Okay, but prepare yourself, it's 1, maximum 2 days. This is the end of part 4. Thanks for watching, and I hope you come back for part 5.